Cookie Monster macaron's been my top seller month after month after month. But now, Sindel's handbag has overtaken Cookie Monster. And Bloodcore is more than both of them combined, which has blown me away. I mean, these things, they're also different and also beautiful. And here's Sindel's handbags. You can see it's textured, which I'll start adding more textured ones this year. You can't go wrong with any of them. Get yours while they last.